Happy Thursday to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago. I'm Oliver Sloup with iiTRADER in your grain market update. We've seen a nice run in the grains really across the board. Corn, soybeans, wheat, all trading higher over the past couple of sessions as we head into tomorrow's USDA report. I wouldn't be surprised to see some late day profit taking here today and tomorrow morning going into that as producers look to hedge and momentum traders look to take some risk off of the table. Now looking at the corn complex, we've broken out above a 2-month range, and with funds with a large net short position, we could see that continue if we do get a bullish catalyst. We're in a very delicate time of year, obviously, with weather being a big question mark. So the crop progress reports are also going to be more and more important as we go forward. Those are released Mondays after the close. Some of the technicals we're looking at, $3.98 to $4 now becomes technical support for that new crop contract. On the top side, really wouldn't be surprised to see a continued run towards $4.20 to $4.22. Now, on the soybean side, it's almost the exact opposite. We're looking to sell this relief rally that we've had over the past week. 945 to 950 has been key technical resistance, but really you want to give yourself a little bit of room if you're stepping in on the short side above 956. This represents key Fibonacci retracement on the year as well as a 50-day moving average, and the bears will remain in control until we get a conviction close above that. I think the ultimate failure against this resistance pocket leads to some accelerated selling pressure and funds piling on, presses down towards the 903 to 910 support pocket. Lastly, wrapping things up with the wheat, kind of in the middle of no man's land, so to speak. We've made a nice run over the past couple sessions, but I think the dollar starting to strengthen going into next week's Fed Reserve meeting, and that's going to put pressure on the wheat market, I think. Not only that on a global macro basis, but also technically, there's a lot of resistance between 456 and 462. I think this is an opportunity to sell. Look to take 10 to 15 cents out of the market over the next week or so. So that's what we're looking at. That's what you should be looking at too. It's been Oliver Sloup with iiTRADER from the floor of the CME.